Advice. Advice.
Advice. Advice. An opinion or suggestion about what someone should do in a particular situation. She gave me some good advice on how to improve my writing. I need advice on choosing a new laptop. Professional or expert guidance in a specific field. He sought legal advice before signing the contract. The doctor provided medical advice on managing stress. Counsel or recommendations offered in a formal or official capacity. The advisory board offered advice on the company's future direction. The government received advice from economic experts.